Running out of floor space in your production facility? Our GlideLine VTU, vertical transport units, save valuable floor space while keeping your workflow fast and reliable, even in the highest volume labs. Space-saving vertical movement, smooth and quiet operation, and reliable performance for continuous shifts. Our vertical transport units deliver space-saving vertical movement, smooth and quiet operation, and reliable all-shift performance. Explore the full range, from compact and cost-effective mini VTUs to tilting deck models that tilt up to 30 degrees for ergonomic access. Dual deck units that handle 2 decks at once. Multiple position VTUs for flexible routing. Pass-through VTUs that let flow continue underneath. Bypass lift VTUs. Rack feeder buffer systems. Machine tending VTUs. And dual-axis VTUs with independent Z-axis and deck control. All configurable for your exact layout and driven by servo or stepper motors. Need to optimize your layout? Let's lift your production higher? Contact us at info@glideline.com today.